Congratulations on starting a LockedOn trial. One of the first things we recommend you do is install the Aaron Shiner pack. This will give you all of his systems for follow-up plans, from meeting a potential lead to an appraisal, listing, sale and a settlement, which includes all of his templated letters, emails and SMSs. To install the packs, go to the left-hand side of your screen and go to Engine. Located in the Engine, bottom right-hand corner, will be an area called Packs. Click the View All button. Once in the Packs area, for the Aaron Shiner pack, hit the Install Pack option. This will take a few seconds to process, and once it is installed, it will refresh your screen and it will tell you that the pack is installed. We also recommend you install the Welcome Pack. This will give you all of our standard print brochures and stock list designs.